What's up guys, here Dr. Technician, helping you go further, faster in technical field. In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple logo reveal animation. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. Coming up. Alright, now we are in After Effects. First of all, let's create a composition. Let's name it logo. And the next step is creating a background color. Select this blue color and let's name it BG. This logo reveal animation is only for text type logos. Here we are going to type logo name here, using the signature type font. Select any font look like signature. I am using here is whole amount. Align the text to center position of composition. Now, let's select pen tool and add a beginning animation. We're creating here a tail, which starts from the left bottom corner, which ends up in the letter A. Let's rename this layer, Tail 1. Then go to its properties, and change line cap and line join to round cap and round join. Check the tail, and change the curve shape. Alright, here let's make some animation. First of all, add trim path to the layer, and create keyframe at the beginning, and move forward a second in timeline, and change value to 100%. And select both keyframes of path start, and move forward a little bit. And convert all keyframes to easy ease. Change graph of keyframes as you want, to be more attractive. Perfect. Now we are going to create a mask layer, which is going through the text, starting from the letter A. To do that, select pen tool, and draw through the letters. Change color to sky blue, and change value of thickness as you want. Let's call this layer mask. Change line cap and line joint to round cap and round join. Alright, now let's complete the mask, which is going through letter A. Please note that the mask should cover the letter completely. Next step is putting some animation. To do that, go to mask layer, add trim path to shape 1. Move forward 1 second, until the end of animation of tail 1. Create keyframe for layer end of trim path, reduce value to 0%. And move forward 2 seconds in timeline and increase value to 100%. Convert keyframes to easy ease. If you want, use graph to make more attractive. Next step is creating another tail layer, to connect between texts. This tail starts from the end of animation of letter A and ends up here, the horizontal line of A. Select pen tool, and draw a line from this end to here. Change color of this shape, I am choosing white. Let's call it tail 2. Change line cap and line join to round cap and round join as well. Add trim path to this shape, to make little animation. At the end of animation of letter A, create keyframes value 0% for start and end of trim path layer, move forward little bit, change value to 100%. Change keyframe assistance to easy ease. Move starts keyframes a little bit forward. Adjust graph to make more attractive. Perfect. Let's make some animation with other texts. Once again select mask layer, and select pen tool, draw through the texts. Change line cap and line join to round cap and round join. Then complete selection of other texts. Alright, now, let's create animation for texts. Using mask, place time indicator, at the end of tail 2 animation. Select shape 2 of mask layer, and add trim path. Under Tim Path, create keyframe for end layer, change value to 0%. Move time indicator forward 2 seconds, change value to 100%. Awesome. Convert keyframes to easy ease. Alright, here, we can increase speed. To do that, just move the second keyframe close to first keyframe. Perfect. Then, we have to do is create an end tail animation. So, let's adjust time indicator to last of animation of text. Without selecting any layer, select pen tool. And draw a tail shape, which starts from end of text and an edge of video surface. Here, we can see a new shape layer is created. Let's add this shape, Tim Path. At the end of text layers animation, create keyframes for start and end of Tim Path. Move forward a little bit, and create keyframe. Change value to 100%. Select both keyframes to start, and move forward a little bit. Perfect. Select all keyframes and change to easy ease. Open graph, and make changes as you want to get more attractive. Open stroke, change line cap and line join to round cap and round join. Perfect. Here, also we can adjust speed with change of distance between keyframes. Let's call this shape tail end. Now, let's merge mask layer with text layer. Firstly, keep both layer close together, then change track matte of text layer to alpha matte mask. Let's have a look at the result. Perfect. Now, we have to do some more correction works. Some places, masks didn't work properly. Let's adjust these areas with making some movement and paths of mask. Next step is making some more animation to look beautiful. Move forward time indicator a little bit. Select pen tool, change stroke value to px. Draw a line shape, top of the text. Add Tim Path to shape 1. Create keyframes for start and end of Tim Path layer. And move forward little bit, change value to 100%. Change keyframes assistant to easy ease. Move start keyframes a little bit forward. Let's change this layer's name to reaction. Move time indicator a little bit forward, and select reaction layer. Using pen tool, draw once again like this. Then go to shape 1, select keyframes of Tim Path, press Ctrl+C to copy the keyframes. Then select shape 2, and press Ctrl+V to paste. When we paste keyframes, we can see there is automatically added Tim Path layer and keyframes. Then move time indicator a little bit forward, draw once again wherever you want to get reaction animation, then select the new shape, and press Ctrl+V to paste keyframes for Tim Path. Continue like that until the last text. Alright, now select all layers except background layer, then click right button, select pre-compose. Type here, color. Then press twice Ctrl+D to duplicate this layer 2 times. Then go to Effects and Preset panel. Search Fill Effects. Add Fill Effect to second and third color layer. Then go to Effect Controls of Duplicate Color Layers, change color to whatever you want. Alright, select first and second color layers. Then move it a little bit forward. Select first color layer, move it a little bit more forward. Look at the preview. Perfect. It's not over yet. Now we have to create its end animation. So, let's place time indicator in the exact point of the completion of logo reveal. Then select 3 color layer. And go to pre-compose. Type here logo and press OK. Then go to end of the logo layer. And shrink the layer to the point where we place time indicator. Then select the logo layer and type Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Move duplicate layer to the end of the original layer. Then go to Menu, Time, and select Time Reverse Layer. Look at the result. Perfect. The last step is saving this animation. To do so, go to File menu, click Export, select Add to Render Queue, then select File Format and Quality, then click OK. Then select Render. It will be saved with preferred format and quality. So thanks so much for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. And until next time, Dr. Technician is helping you go further faster in tech. Keep crushing it and we will talk soon.